a 2-minute plank hold. So if you are ready, go ahead and get on the ground and let's begin. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. You can come onto your forearms or your hands, whichever you prefer. So we're going to be holding here for 2 minutes. Make sure that you have a nice flat back here. You don't want your butt to be too low and you don't want to be too high up in the air. Just holding here for 2 minutes. We're really strengthening up our core, working our abs, getting nice and toned. And how do you like my outfit? It's very blue today. I'm dressed warmly because it's kind of chilly out here. It has warmed up though. Earlier it was like 40 degrees. Four, three, two, and 1. Congrats on finishing this workout. I was super proud of y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will look forward to seeing you on Friday. Bye!